What's up, Algebra 2 homies? Gonna do this review real quick. Gonna do it lightning fast because it is 5:51 p.m. in the evening right now. I guess that was redundant because I said p.m. But anyways, it's 5:51. It's already stupid dark outside, so it feels like it's 10 o'clock at night. And I've got so stinking much to do / create for all you lovely students tonight. This is a little view of the whiteboard above my desk at my house. This is the ridiculous amount of stuff I have to do tonight. So, wish me luck. Let's get ready to crank it out. So, we want to sketch the graph of this function, and we want to show all of the intercepts. If you look at this 2x minus 1, that could be factored a little bit. You could pull that 2 out. What would you be left with? Well, you'd be left with x minus 1 half. Think of it this way: if you multiply that 2 back in, 2 times the 1 half is giving you the 1 that we have there. Either do that or ask yourself, well, if 2x minus 1 equals 0, then what does x equal? And you can get to the same answer of a positive 1 half for our intercept. So let's mark all of our x-intercepts. Let's go 1 right there. We're going to need a positive 2, 3, 4 right here because of that factor. X plus 5 is giving us a negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we should be able to sketch all of this in now. So an intercept at negative 5 from that factor, an intercept at positive 4 from that factor, an intercept of 1 half from that factor, so right there. And let's go ahead and show our y-intercept as well. And so to do that, imagine plugging in 0 for x. Oops. Well, if you plugged in 0 for x, you would end up with a negative 1 times a negative 4. Negatives cancel, and that gives us a positive 4, times a positive 5 is 20, with a negative out front is negative 20. So my y-intercept should be down here at 0, negative 20. All these x-intercepts are going to cross since they all just have a multiplicity of 1. So hopefully we can sketch it in something like this, maybe. Notice we graph that without having to know our end behavior because of knowing that y-intercept and knowing the multiplicity of the x-intercepts. But we could also look at it and say, oh, this is a cubic function because there are 3 powers of x in there. And there's a negative out front, which means it's going to behave like negative x, which means up to the left and down to the right. We've shown all intercepts, x and y, so we're good.